Hello and welcome to this first screencast of litlift.com, a free online novel writing application I built to help me and other NaNoWrimers complete their novel on time. So the first thing that you'll see when you log into the system, if it's your first time, is a list of the empty books that you have the ability to create. To create a new book is easy. All main navigation is over here on the right for each of the individual areas. Simply click New Book. You have to give your book a title. Say we'll give it Test, and then you can give it some type of description, or you don't even have to. If all you have is an idea for a title in your head, just keep track of that too. That'll create the book. From here, you can go ahead and add characters, settings, items, or even chapters. If you have scene ideas plotted out in your head, go ahead and add a character. And since we don't have any current characters that we've already created, we'll add a new character to the system. And we'll go ahead and give him the title Sherlock Holmes, because he's my favorite character. And then here we can put in a general description. I can't spell. In addition, you can come over here and add additional items that you would like to track, such as appearance, height, maybe 6 feet, hobbies. And as you add each of these areas or subtract them, they'll just come into view down at the bottom. And you can add any of these features. Once you're done, you've selected all the information you want to select, simply hit Create, and this will take you to the character information screen, which will only show you the information that's relevant. As you can see, this character has already been added to the book Test, which we created. If we go back to that book now, and we choose to show it, we'll see that we now have a list of all the things that have been attached to this book, and Sherlock Holmes, the character, has been attached. You can do the same thing with settings and items. Again, we don't have any settings created, so we'd add a new one, and we'd give this one 221 B Baker Street, his house. And of course, you'd obviously want to make it more descriptive than that, or sometimes not. And you can see that now this setting has been attached to the book Test. In addition, you can create character settings and items without any reference to anything. If all you have is an idea for a character and you have no idea what book you want to put them in, you simply come in here and create the character, say Dr. Watson, but you don't know that you want to put him in the current book you're working on. Some details. He exists within the system, but not attached to any books. If, however, sometime in the future you're working on a book and you would like to attach a character, a setting, or an item to a book, you simply come in here and you click Add Remove Characters, or whatever it happen may be, and you'll see that it has a full list of all the characters or settings or items that you've created, and you can simply add them by clicking Add. Now that character has been added to the book and appears in the book's character list. In addition, you can create scenes or chapters for books. If you come into here, you can create a chapter. I'm going to do chapter 1. And then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to create another one. So say you have a bunch of ideas for different scenes, but you're not really sure what order they're going to appear in, or as you add more ideas, the order of your book changes. That's easy enough to fix. So say you've created a whole lot of scenes. Now you've created a new scene that needs to be put in a slightly different order. Not a big deal. You simply drag it into the position that you want it in, and it's saved. If you go back here, go back to the book and show them again, you'll see that the order is kept constant. One additional feature I just recently added is a character name generator. I'd spend too much time trying to figure out the names of characters who aren't all that relevant. So simply select the number of results you want, the gender of the name you'd like, hit submit, and it'll bring up a list of randomly generated names. If you'd like to use this name, Augustus Parker, you simply click it and it will take you to the Add a New Character screen, where you can then give him any of the information that you'd like. And then hit Create. And then if at some point you'd like to add him to a book, you'd simply go to the book again, show the book, and then he will appear in your character list, so I could choose to add him. That's pretty much it for now. If you have any other questions, check out the FAQs. Follow us on our Facebook page or our Twitter page, and that's where we generally release all the information about the system. Thanks.